still, I told Papi, we need half of 10, one 10 we can use.
Yeah, I told him as well.
So I said the leave before that is fine. Next we should get it.
Nobody's still approving with this technical department.
I think it was from purchase, as they said, for this delivery.
No, but she is asking the
Purchase,
technical department to approve, but nobody is answering.
What we can do?
Yeah.
No, the details is enough. Blah blah. I told him, he said we have one payment, and it's all coming one time, two payment on top, and one line in case. Anyway, even two payments we can wait with it. What's that? Have to go back. What's that? Go.
Yeah.
Why? There is one cell full of water usually. I don't know about it. Get
Which one?
water free. There's somewhere here.
To escape the water. Yeah?
Yeah, it's usually when it's empty, gas free. That's the real it's dark. What is that? No, it's not. Not free flow. There's police all around. Cell. Strange way. No, no possible. Simply not possible. Look at the back. Correct. Now, very good.
Okay guys, if you're ready, forwarding up, standby.
Play game with bullshit rules. Guys who like to go to the room. Good guys.
Okay, looks like they're ready.
You can select,
Yeah.
Off first, and then the boat will go forward, then we select forward, and then we go let go the aft strings.
So let's say I will let go forward enough.
Yeah, you can let go forward.
Okay, let go headline, let go stern line.